Fabulove, celebrating love, romance, and eros by Eros Coaching.
Hi, this is day 6 of Fabulove. My name is Martha. I'm a sexologist in Singapore. Today I'd like to introduce you an activity or an exercise. It's called Kegels. K-E-G-E-L-S. Kegels. So Kegels was invented by this guy called Arnold Kegels, hence the name Kegels, in 1940s, I believe. And basically he invented this to help his patients to be able to control their urine, or when they have this condition called urinary incontinence. And gradually it was discovered that there were other benefits when it came to doing the exercises involving the pelvic floor muscles, or your PC muscles, pubiococcygeus muscles more specifically. So when your pelvic floor muscles are strong, basically these are the muscles that are holding you up. So if these muscles are not strong, it can cause other problems, such as, like I mentioned, not being able to control your bladder as well. Not only that, it was discovered that it was very good in helping women to regain their, strengthen the muscles around their vagina after vaginal birth. If you do lots of Kegels, you also notice that you will start to develop more intense orgasms. So this is how I kind of say it in a nutshell. Not only will your body become stronger, it will become more sensitive, stronger, more intense orgasms. It can be one of the first and great ways for men in learning how to last longer, having better blood flow to their genitals. So this is how you do it. Basically, you imagine you're in the toilet and you're trying to pee. So you try to stop your pee. So what muscles are you squeezing down there? So when you just notice what muscles you're squeezing, and you don't have to do it when you are peeing. You can do this outside of the bathroom as an exercise when your bladder is empty. In fact, for women, it's recommended that you don't do Kegels when your bladder is full, because women are much more likely to contract some kind of urinary tract infection. So there are 3 ways to do Kegels. The first way is frequency, basically squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go, doing as many as you can, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go. The second way is duration, squeeze, hold, between 3 to 15 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, let go. The third way is intensity, so maybe you might consider starting from squeezing your anus, maybe your perineum, squeezing harder. You can feel the squeeze around your vagina, or maybe even the base of your penis, the balls of your testicles, base of your penis. So it's just different levels of squeezing. Doesn't really matter if you're finding it difficult for a start. Just start with frequency, just doing many, strengthening the muscles first, and then progressing to duration. You can hold longer, and then intensity. So this is pretty much how you can start doing Kegels. So I get asked how many do I do it. So it really depends how much you think you need to be doing. So if I have clients who want to learn how to last longer, if they have early ejaculation, I start by telling them maybe you want to start doing like 100 a day. Not 100 at one time, 100 throughout the whole day, just to start becoming strengthening the muscles much more quickly. So as a daily exercise, maybe if you can do 30 a day, that would be great. If you have certain specific sexual goals in mind, then maybe you want to do a lot more. So this is Martha, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Fabulove, celebrating love, romance, and eros by Eros Coaching.